Hey Claiborne, Stephen and I were at Barnes & Noble yesterday to pick up a copy of Lyle Crocodile. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What is it? Yeah? He was very excited to see some toy cars at Barnes & Noble. He ended up bringing home a new Duplo bulldozer instead, though.
That's a little toddler. He's playing with his toys. What else do you see, baby? Oh, I know. We'll open it soon.
So today, we put it together. Bring it here.
Yeah, take it to Dada.
We're going to put it together. Alright, have a seat. Okay, you ready? Here you go. Open it up. Can you empty it out for me? We got instructions here to follow. Look at the little guy on the little block. It's a sign. It's a triangle. I think we need that piece. Can we put this on top of it? Look, this goes on top of here. No, we don't want to do it? Yeah, just like that. Yeah, but this goes on top of it. Look, so that it makes the little vehicle. We're making this. But to do that, we gotta put this on top of here. Oh, okay. What is that? Look, now we got a bulldozer. Vroom, vroom. Yeah? What is it? Is it a car? And look, it can bulldoze the rock. It can go and then lift it up and drive it around. It goes boom, boom, boom. You can lower it back down. We also got out his old Duplo construction vehicles from Easter. We'd put them away because he was more interested in throwing them and watching them break back then. What a difference a few months makes. And then he's gonna dump it in here. And then the dump truck goes. Yeah, he dumps it out. We got a bunch of stuff we can put in. Yeah, it's a dump truck. So we got bulldozer, digger, and this one goes. Oh, he missed, and I broke it. There we go, I put it back together. Sometimes they miss, that's what happens. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Okay, I'm gonna drive the bulldozer. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Oh, I'm chasing you. Oh, you want that one? Look, he's got a rock. Can you try to scoop it up? There you go. And then you gotta lift it up. Lift up the front. Hey, it's a dump truck, right? And look, this is a little sign that says minifigs at work. Yeah. Where? Yeah. Boom, boom. This goes like this. You have to like hold it right here and then scoop, okay? And that's true of diggers. They have to like plant themselves before they can dig. Dump truck. Oh, he knocked over the side. He was backing up too fast. Sometimes that happens. Yeah. Is that a little minifig? Can you stack up the squares for me? Yeah, look at you. Stephen had a lot of fun playing with these, and it lasted a lot longer than I would have expected. I definitely recommend if Carnegie is into cars and construction vehicles the same way that Stephen is. And that's it from us this weekend, Claiborne, because even construction workers need nap times. Yes, sir. Yeah, you got all your construction vehicles.